وَإِذَا جَاءُوكُمْ قَالُوا آمَنَّا وَقَدْ دَخَلُوا بِالْكُفْرِ وَهُمْ قَدْ خَرَجُوا بِهِ وَاللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا كَانُوا يَكْتُمُونَ.
Whenever they come to you, they say, "We believe," whereas in fact they come disbelieving and go away disbelieving, and Allah knows all that they hide.
وَتَرَى كَثِيرًا مِّنْهُمْ يُسَارِعُونَ فِي الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ وَأَكْلِهِمُ السُّحْتَ لَبِئْسَ مَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ.
You will see many of them hastening towards sin and transgression and devouring unlawful earnings. Evil indeed is what they do.
لولا ينهاهم الربانيون والأحبار عن قولهم الإثم وأكلهم السحت لبئس ما كانوا يصنعون.
Why is it that their scholars and jurists do not forbid them from sinful utterances and devouring unlawful earnings? Indeed, they have been contriving evil.
وقالت اليهود يد الله مغلولة غلت أيديهم ولعنوا بما قالوا بل يداه مبسوطتان ينفق كيف يشاء وليزيدن كثيرا منهم ما أنزل إليك من ربك طغيانا وكفرا وألقينا بينهم العداوة والبغضاء إلى يوم القيامة كلما أوقدوا نارا للحرب أطفأها الله ويسعون في الأرض فسادا والله لا يحب المفسدين.
The Jews say, "The hand of Allah is fettered." It is their own hands which are fettered, and they stand cursed for the evil they have uttered. No, His hands are outspread. He spends as He wills. Surely the message that has been revealed to you from your Lord has increased many of them in their insurgence and unbelief. And so we've cast enmity and spite among them until the day of resurrection. And as often as they kindle the fire of war, Allah extinguishes it, and they go about trying to spread mischief on earth, whereas Allah does not love those who spread mischief.
ولو أن أهل الكتاب آمنوا واتقوا لكفرنا عنهم سيئاتهم ولأدخلناهم جنات النعيم.
Had the people of the book only believed and been God-fearing, we should surely have effaced from them their evil deeds and caused them to enter the gardens of bliss.